They are really very beautiful. Yes, they are a must get. Ciao my friends, welcome back to my channel. And today we have an unboxing of what I think it is a pair of glasses. And I brought over my trusty little scissors to help me get into this little package. And let's start. I'm super excited to see what they're going to look like on me. So let's go. I got them from a seller on the Gate website, and I will put these in my bio inside Linktree, and I will link them there. And if you're interested, which I think everybody needs a pair of sunglasses like this, okay? Let's check them out. Oh, they're wrapped super well. Like, you cannot complain about this at all. Very well protected. Okay, there they are. Wow, the box is beautiful. No, look, it's so pretty. I always say the unboxing is half of the experience. And they come in this case. So nice. Okay, the case actually feels like leather. This feels like leather. It's very beautiful. I don't know, let's see. They look like this. So it comes with a little silk polishing cloth or cleaning cloth for your glasses. And your glasses come in this little baggie. Okay. Very well protected, my friends. Very well wrapped and very well protected. That's good when it comes from such a long distance country. And this is what they look like. I like the shading on the lenses actually. And this is what the arms look like. So it's a little bit of gold and black. Wow, they're very beautiful. And they do have a nose piece here. So if you have curly hair or long hair, it's really difficult to push them back in your hair, but they really fit nicely over the bridge of the nose. And these can be adjusted to your correct size. So this is what they look like. I really love this shading. So let's see what they look like on. Wow, they're big and oversized, and they're very beautiful. I still like the fact that you can see your eyes through the lenses, so you're not really hiding yourself behind sunglasses, and they're really nice to wear when you're out shopping or going into stores and you don't remove your glasses. It's really nice for the other person to be able to see your eyes, and these ones you can see your eyes through them. And I really like the size of them. Big, overframed glasses, oversized glasses. They are really very beautiful. Yes, they are a must get. So I will link the seller in my Linktree. You will find him there. And they are very beautiful, my friends. Super nice. They actually don't need any sizing for me. They feel nice. So if I look down, they don't fall off. I look around, they're okay. They fit nicely. No? Yes, I love them. So you, like I said, you will find these in my Linktree with the picture, and you just click on that and we'll open up the seller store, and they will be right in there. So my friends, I will see you again tomorrow for another unboxing, and enjoy your day. Ciao everyone. Bye. Sunglasses,